Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano.
Hello everyone, we are in Lesson 5, asking about a newcomer. In this segment, you will learn to tell where someone is from. To tell where you are from or to answer Taga-Saan question, simply replace saan with the name of place or location. For example, Pilipinas or Philippines, and change the pronoun ka to ako. Taga-Pilipinas ako. Taga-saan ka? Taga-Pilipinas ako. I am from the Philippines. Taga-saan siya? Taga-Pilipinas siya. He or she is from the Philippines. Taga-saan si Ben? Taga-Pilipinas si Ben or taga-Pilipinas siya. Ben is from the Philippines or he is from the Philippines. Taga-saan ang Ginoo? Taga-America ang Ginoo or taga-Amerika siya. The gentleman is from the United States or he is from the United States. Taga-Alemanya. Alemanya. Alemanya. Germany. Taga-Francia. Francia. Francia. France. Taga-Maynila. Maynila. Maynila. Manila. Taga-Russia. Russia. 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 Taga-España. España. España. Spain. Taga-China. China. 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 By this time, you should be able to tell where someone is from.
This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!